आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, so the question is, if the tangent at the point 2p 2,4 to the parabola y square is equal to 8x, it meets the parabola y square is equal to 8x plus 5 is at point Q and R. We need to find the midpoint of the chord QR. So firstly I'm writing down the given parabolas. So it is, first is y square is equal to 8x. Let it be equation number 1, and the second one is y square is equal to 8x plus 5. Let it be equation number 2. Okay, now it is given that the tangent at point 2,4 on equation 1 to the parabola this. Okay, so it is for the parabola first. So I'm writing down the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent at point 2,4 on 1. So what is the general equation? It is general equation is y1 is equal to 4a, that is 4a into x plus x1. So this is the general equation. Now using 2,4 in place of x1 y1, what I get the equation as 4y is equal to 4, a is 1 here, into x plus 2, and after dividing this by 4 I get y is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so let it be equation number 3. So this equation 3 is basically the equation of tangent on equation 1 using the points 2,4, right? Now we have to find the point of intersection for equation and 3. So I'm writing down point of intersection for equation 3 and equation number 2. So I'm using this value, that is y. Okay, I am finding out the value of x, which is equal to y minus 2. So I'll be substituting it in equation number 2, that is y square is equal to 8x plus 5. So the equation is y square is equal to 8x plus 5. So I'll be using here x is equal to y minus 2. So it will become y square is equal to 8 into y minus 2 plus 5. Solving it further, what I get y square is equal to 8y minus 16 plus 5. So it will become y square is equal to 8y minus 11. Taking all this terms on the left side, so what it will become y square minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0. Now let's solve it. So after solving it, I get, what is the value of y? It will be equal to minus, since the formula is minus b plus minus under the root of d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. In the denominator it's 2a. So let's calculate it further. So it will be equal to y is equal to, b is minus 8, so it would be 8 plus minus under root of square of 8 is 64 minus 4 into a into c turns out to be 44. So up, and in the denominator it would be 2 only because the value of a is 1 here. Solving it further, I get 8 plus minus under the root of 20 upon 2. Taking 2 common here, what I get? I'll get 2 common, so it would be 4 plus minus 2 root 5, correct, because 4 5s are 20, so it's 2 root 5 upon 2. So 2 cancels with 2. So what is the value of y? So I am writing here y is equal to 4 plus minus 2 root 5. Let it be equation number x. So since we know that y is equal to x, just a second. So since we know that x is equal to y minus 2, so substituting the values, I'll get the value of x, which will be equal to 2 plus minus 2 root 5. Point of intersection Q and R. So point of intersection So what is the point Q? The coordinates would be 1 is 2 plus 2 root 5 and y would be equal to 4 plus, it would be plus here only, just a moment. So it would be 4 plus 2 root 5, this is point Q, and point R would be equal to 2 minus 2 root 5 and 4 minus 2 root 5. Now we have to find the midpoint of QR. So midpoint of Q and R. So it would be sum of x coordinate divided by 2 and sum of y coordinate divided by 2. So after this I'll get, just a second, it would be 2 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 minus 2 root 5 by 2. And similarly for y it would be 4 plus 2 root 5 minus 4 plus, sorry, minus, it would be plus here, plus 4 minus 2 root 5 divided by 2. So what would be the answer? The answer I'll get 2, 4. So this is the midpoint. I hope it is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।